Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Alvin Left in the Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be cooking what's inside this box. Drum roll please. Cicadas. Brood X is upon us. And we have a bunch of cicadas that I found the other day. They kind of stink, but I'm going to be cooking them in 3 ways. I have a frying pan, and I'm going to be cooking them in this air fryer over here. And I have a smoker going outside. I'm going to smoke them. So first, a lot of them are dead, but first I need to kill the rest. Look at this guy. He's nasty. So I'm going to... It's a skin. I'm going to turn on this pan, and once it's hot, I'm going to stick them on. Put this lid over them. They should die pretty much instantly. Then I'm going to take them and take their wings off. And then 1/3 of them I'm going to air fry. Others I'm going to cook in the pan, and the others I'm going to smoke. Okay, so we made the pan hot. I'm just going to dump them in, put the lid on. Nasty. I think I kept them in here for long. Okay. Alrighty then. They have all died in the pan.
Oh my goodness.
So now I'm going to take them outside. Welcome my father.
Hey, Father.
Now I'm going to take them outside and peel all the wings off. If you don't want to eat the wings, it's nasty. They smell good now, actually. They smell like asparagus.
Yeah, I do.
Now this is the hard part.
What do you put?
Do you wing them one by one?
5 pounds, 2 pounds.
So we will be back once I'm done. De-winging all these things. Okay, I finished taking all the wings off, as you can see. So now I'm going to separate them out into little bowls. Try and make it pretty even. That looks about even. First I'm going to take some butter. Get in the pan. Melt it, and then I'm going to put it over some of them. Need a tray to smoke them on, and then use it as a binder. This is the tray I'm going to use to smoke them on, and got some Meadow Creek seasoning, I believe. I'm going to air fry some of them. These ones don't get any seasoning. These ones I'm going to air fry. How does this thing work? Put them at like 300 degrees. Yeah, I guess it's going now. These ones get coated in butter. So those ones I guess go for about 15 minutes. I have no idea. On my face, my guy. I don't know how to cook cicadas, so these ones have butter on them. Put a little barbecue seasoning. Just an even coat, I guess. Look how beautiful. Ready to eat these. Got them on a tray. Come along with me. These ones I'm going to smoke on this nice pit boss. Stick them on there, I guess. I don't know how long I'm going to cook them till they're crunchy or something. Okay, I got plenty of butter. I love butter. These ones I'm going to season with salt and pepper. Oh, look at that. Delicious. Salt. I'm a master chef. Oh yeah. They smell just like bugs. Now we let them cook. Time for kitchen tricks. As you can tell, I'm 5 Michelin stars for my home cooking. I'm a pro at this. See? So the air frying ones, I've no idea how they're doing because I don't know how cicadas look when they're cooked. Good chef always tastes his food before he finishes. Tastes like asparagus. Nasty. Those ones are almost done. Good rep. Okay, I got 2 kitchen tips, cooking tips. Always keep yourself clean, like that, and keep your cooking area clean. I believe it's called mise en place or something. I believe it's French. I'll taste these. Okay, so these seem a bit crunchy. Very crunchy. Those are done. Mmm. These ones are good. Oh man. Anyway, 2 rules of the kitchen. Keep your stuff clean. And always try and keep your mother happy. So then she lets you cook more. These air fried ones are good. And keeping stuff clean also keeps your mother happy. I guess I'm probably gonna have to deep clean that whole air fryer so my mom doesn't freak out. So those are done. Looking good. Let's check these ones out here, Al. Oh snap. Whoa! This might just be a new recipe. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's basically straight barbecue seasoning and smoke. Because they're so small, they just absorb the flavors so quick. Turn this guy off. That's good stuff right there. So we got pan fried, air fried, and grilled / smoked. Excuse the mess. My mother doesn't seem to listen to the first rule of cooking. Okay, so now we're gonna test them all. Starting with the pan fried ones. You get our butter right off the bat. And it's sort of a asparagus-y flavor, which is, it's okay. I'm not a fan of asparagus, but it's pretty good for bugs. Now air fried, these ones are a little juicy. This one here, it's like crunch. Not really much flavor on these ones. I didn't season them at all. Yeah, there's a little bit of something, like a woodiness that I taste, but not much flavor, just straight bug. Now for the smoked ones. That's a good morsel right there. The seasoning and the smoke is basically all it tastes. So these things are just are like body for those things to go on. It's really good. I'm gonna get my family to eat them.
Yes.
Okay, we got Mally. Elijah, you can get in there too. Wait a second.
Is this a smoked one? Yeah.
Yes. We got Mally. Trying to smoke one first. How do you like it? It's okay? Now, these ones over here are pan fried.
No, I'm not trying those.
No, try one.
No.
Mally, you need to try them all. Come on. Boo.
Boo.
Boo. Try them all. Come on. Boo. Try an air fried one at least. Got an air fried one there. Just pop it in, Mally. Those ones are straight crunch, right? Mm-hmm. Now try a pan fried one. Come on, why not? Mally, what's wrong with the pan fried ones? Just do it. Why not? Come on, you gotta try them all.
No.
Here. Do you want me to throw you off the balcony again?
No.
And eat one? Come on. Elijah.
Fine.
Oh,
Which one are the pan fried ones?
these ones over here. No, 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 no. These ones. Come on. Eat it.
I have some orange juice.
No, eat it. Just eat it. Just pop it in. It's not that bad. Just eat it quick. Come on. You can't spit it out. Don't spit it out. If you spit it out, you're a disappointment. It's not that bad, is it? No, going for a second one. Let's go. Elijah, come eat some. No, 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 no.
Orange juice.
No, it's not going to be that bad. No, it's not that
Okay,
bad.
which one do I want first?
Pan fried.
Oh, that does have some. Oh, I did taste like that juice.
Elijah, it's not that bad.
Just pop it in.
Now this lighting isn't the best. Just quick. Just get over it.
Ugh.
Okay.
Yeah,
Air fry, air fry.
that was the worst one you're gonna try. You're gonna try the air fried.
Very. I'm eating bugs.
Yeah, people do it all over the world.
Air fried is
Hippies.
good. Elijah, the air
Ones,
fried?
the air fried ones. Just go into it thinking they taste good, Elijah. It's not that bad.
Elijah,
Air fried ones are the worst.
the smoke is
Now try the
best.
smoked ones.
Those are the best. Those are really good. Elijah, those are really good. Just eat it.
Not bad.
Yeah, those ones are good.
Not good either.
Yeah, they are. Look at that. Close up. There you have it. Cicadas.
Oh, another one. Here's the
I say they're a win. Elijah?
air fried.
Ugh.
Molly?
I like them.
Okay. 2 out of 3. Cicadas are good. If you have them around your place, go and eat them.
Wait, is that good?
I recommend smoking them with some good barbecue seasoning and some butter.
That's good.
These ones right here.
Air fried. Listen,
Thanks for watching this episode of Alvin Lap in the Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope this inspires you to go try something new that you've never tasted before. If you enjoyed it, maybe subscribe. Also go check out my Instagram. I'm trying to get to like 200 followers there. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
You just punch.